We are here to know about something about reinventing, about career opportunities. So one small advice I have for all of you is aim high in life. Please come out of your comfort zones. If you want to achieve something in your life, you have to put in your hard work.
I would want you people to really reinvent yourself in this fast-paced world where success is dependent on how quickly you can adapt to new realities. Skyline University students here are leading in a way.
The world is now moving towards effectively managing employees in an organization.
The future is all about data. The future is all about clean energy. And the future depends on you. It depends on your mindset, or it depends on the change you want to take for yourself. And change is an opportunity for you to do something amazing. Thank you very much.
Hello, my name is Aisha Ibrahim. I am an assistant lecturer from the Department of Management at Skyline University Nigeria. We just finished facilitating a seminar on reinventing yourself, where we discussed about the importance of reinventing yourself, how to reinvent yourself, and why to reinvent yourself. We also discussed about renewable energy, project management, human resource management, and data science. It was a very interactive and interesting seminar, and the students enjoyed it. Thank you.
Good day, my name is Vinatius Onuka Chinoso. I'm a student of Evangel International School, Kano. I'm one of the participants that participated in the seminar, Reinventing Yourself. Today I have learned that there are a wide spread of careers that you can choose from. And I've also learned that people that became successful now didn't just become successful, they followed through different steps to become successful, become what they are.